Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Kailas Technical Gyan. Today we are doing the practical of EFSMR role transfer. So kindly subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you can check my upcoming videos. So let's start for the EFSMR role transfer. First of all, we will go through the overview and prerequisite for the EFSMR role. So first, what is the overview? Current domain is congo.com. Okay, you can see it here also. Okay, congo.com. Okay, and this is the 2019 DC, and we are having another server, that is Windows 2012 server. Okay, these are the two DCs. I had made it Win 2019 DC as an additional domain controller, and current EFSMR role holder is Windows 2012 server. So just checking the EFSMR role holder. Type netdom query space EFSMO. With the help of this command, we can identify who is the EFSMO role holders. So currently it is showing Win 2012 DC MIG server. Okay, so accordingly okay, so the next step-by-step guide. So we will go through the replication. First of all, replication is happening or not. Then second, we will register the schema management DLL, and then we will transfer the EFSMO role. And last, we will check again EFSMO role holder whether it should be a Windows 2019 server. Okay, so first we'll check the replication. Repa admin space show rep. With the help of this command, inbound connection last attempt was successful. Okay, here is the all are coming successful. Okay, not an issue. Repa admin space repl summary. Okay, there is no any fail notification from source to destination. Okay, got it. That means it is working perfectly. So we will check also replication whether it is happening through the consistency KCC. Okay, there is no any issue with the consistency check. Okay, so let's register the schema mgmt DLL. First, I already opened the CMD with the administrator rights. Okay, so let's start. Reg svr32 space schemmgmt.dll. Enter. Okay, DLL is registered successfully. Now we are going to transfer the EFSMO role through the command line. So we will type here ntds util. Okay, so we have to transfer the roles. Then connection, we have to connect the server to whom we have to transfer the EFSMO role. So type connections. Now connect that server where you want to transfer the EFSMO role. So I am here selecting Win 2019 DC dash MIG. Right, this is the host name of my additional domain controller server. Okay, so entering. It is now connected. Okay, now I am quitting from server connection. Quit. And now coming to the EFSMO maintenance. So now we are going to transfer the actual EFSMO roles to the 2019 server. So here we are typing transfer role name. First of all, PDC master. Enter. Sorry, we have to type only PDC, I think. Okay, got it. Here is a notification, role transfer confirmation dialog. Are you sure want to domain role of primary domain controller transfer to Win 2019 DC MIG? Okay, yes. Okay, it is successfully transferred. This way, okay, let it be a, first of all we will check whether role is transferred or not. So again we are opening CMD through the run as administrator. Now netdom space query space FSMO, enter. Now PDCA role should be a handled by 2019 server. Okay, that is handling. Okay, RID pool manager also handled by 2019 server. Okay, that is good. Now we will just check whether what are the roles handled by 2019 server. We are already checked in this command prompt. So currently we will still try to transfer that RID master. Okay, sorry, here is a typing mistake. Transfer, oh sorry again, sorry. What is happening here? Yeah, okay, this is the RID master. Okay, so here we will check. Okay, this two role are transfer. Now we'll transfer schema master role. Again we are confirming the dialog box to yes. Then I think second last role is infrastructure master. Okay, again we are confirming a role transfer dialog confirmation to yes. Okay, and this is the last but not least, I think, naming master, domain naming master. Okay, yeah, got it. Okay, now we will check again whether all EFSMO role should be transferred to new server, that is Windows 2019 server. Okay, now 2019 server is holding all the EFSMO role. Okay, we can now demote the 2012 server. So this is the way to get it transfer the role to the new server. Now I am quit from EFSMO maintenance, again quit from NTDS util. Okay, so typing the exit command to get out of here. Okay, so now we have completed FSMO role transfer from by NTDS util command line. Okay, so bye bye guys, and do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and hit the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Bye bye.